it's actually hot in here. So it's about that time I am traveling to another country. In this case, it's Spain, and I do want to show you guys what I take along with me whenever I am traveling, mainly because there are some people who really don't know what to take along with them, especially when they want to document their trip or if they want to content create, for example. So this might be like an inspiration for you to actually check whether you want something like this, or maybe you should go for something else. Now, all the things I have, you don't have to take along with you, but like there might be at least some things that will be interesting in your case. But without further ado, let me show you guys what I basically have. First of all, just has to be this bag. Now, this bag is my what I would call a tech bag. Now, this isn't any brand or anything like that. It's just a normal bag that I have at home, which I decided that, you know what, I'm going to use this as my bag that carries all my tech accessories and all of that, my tech gears. So this bag is just super nice. It's super simple. I do like the design of this bag, and also I do like this brown leather that you get here, and the navy blue just fits and, you know, works very well with all of my outfits. Sometimes you don't really need to go for the brand, you just need something super simple that you can basically find at home. So that for me personally is just something I can basically fit all of my tech gears and everything inside. So yeah, it works. And then second of all, it just has to be this Tomtoc purse. This Tomtoc purse is so great, mainly because it's scratch resistant and shock resistant in some cases, and kind of water resistant as well. So it fits a lot. Like I could put many things inside here, from batteries to my tripod to my USB-C. I even have this hub right here in case I want to transfer anything from my camera over to my iPad. So like small things that just fit inside here is super great. Now, I'm just going to be honest. If there's one thing I would always take along with me, it has to be my iPad. Now, my iPad is just one thing that I feel is one of the most important things on this list, mainly because I could research on this, I could create videos on this, I could also answer mails, I could script, I can watch movies. There are so many things that the iPad really helps, especially when you are traveling. So just having an iPad in general is super nice. And I also added this keyboard from ESR, which just makes the iPad feel like a mini computer. So whenever I need to work, I'll just add that, and it just works super well for me. I like the keyboard, and I could just close it like that. And this has to be one of those portable laptops ish, if you know what I mean. It's not actually good to work when you're on vacation, but if you wanted to just at least edit a video or something like that, or at least a picture, then the iPad is just genuinely good. Now, this is a mini tripod. This is one of those tripods that just fits everywhere you throw at it. It just fits so well because it's so small, and also the fact that it extends additional, like, let's say 30 centimeters. So you're pretty much good, especially if you're somebody who likes to vlog a lot. Better than actually using your hands because, you know, the shakiness, but just having this like this and then record is perfect. And for those vloggers out there, if you're somebody who just likes, you know, to vlog, who needs a mic, either you go for something like DJI, for example, or you just go for the Hollyland Lark M2. Now, this is the Hollyland Lark M2. It's just amazing. I bought this, it's portable, it's small. You wouldn't even know that I have a mic on you whenever you are using this, but it just feels so great to use. And I can stand like 100 or 200 meters, 100 meters, I guess, away from my camera, and then you can still hear me. So the Hollyland Lark M2 is just perfect when it comes down to traveling and vlogging, for example. Now, for me personally, I do like having some kind of security, and just having like a SSD storage like the Samsung T7 1TB is perfect. Whenever you're traveling, it's just so important to carry something like this, mainly because if you're filming with your phone or your camera, for example, most of the time you just overfilm and, you know, you run out of storage. But the T7 is just like that extra life. If you've played Mario, you actually understand what I mean. That extra life that saves you whenever you need it. So the T7 is just super important. You can move everything from a camera or your phone over to the T7 and just have a super great trip. If you're filming or taking photos, maybe it's a family trip, for example, you wouldn't want to stress yourself with, you know, having to upgrade your iPhone storage on the iCloud, for example. Well, the T7 is already there, so something like this is just perfect, to be honest. And then we can continue to go with something like the DJI Mini 3, which has been so fantastic. 4K footage, and this just feels so nice because you can get another type of creative shots from above instead of you just filming on your phone or your camera. These shots from above are so great. Like, I could capture the city, I can capture the coast area. Just having something like this just elevates your vlogging skills, and just having a drone to elevate your content is one of those things to actually know. Now, as somebody who likes to travel, I do like to take along with me two lenses. One of them being my zoom lens, the 18-105 Sony lens, and the other one being this 15mm from Viltrox. And I do like this 15mm from Viltrox mainly because I do think that this is so sharp and it just works. It's wide, it's easy, it's portable, it's small, and when I'm vlogging I could capture everything, like the scenes behind me, every background just makes this camera lens look great and amazing. The portability just makes it super easy, and I can also add this into my Tomtoc purse, whereby I added something like that, and you guys can see how easy this looks. Next on the list is where I talk about mostly charging, because you can't just be filming without actually having chargers, right? Or at least power bank. Now, for me personally, just having something like this. Now, this is a power bank from INIU. It's a 22-watt power bank, 10,000 milliamp power bank, and it just looks great. Like, it's portable, it's small, and the fact that you get this display that shows you the percentage of it helps you understand that, okay, you either need to charge this before you go out on your adventure, or you're ready to go, right? So having something like this is super nice. You can also place your phone right there. As you can see, you pull out that thing like that, place your phone, you can be watching football or movies while you're charging your phone. So it makes this power bank just super nice. You also get like inputs in, out, and also a USB-C. And with this is this portable charger. Now, this charger is from Footnote accessories. They are a really good brand actually. You can charge your phone, your AirPods, and also your Apple Watch, for example. You just need to place that on this surface right there, and then you charge your phone. I normally charge this with my power bank, so it just fits the whole vibe. It's small. If I want to extend the wires, I'll just pull the cables like that and extend, and then I'll just roll it back in, and the wires or the cables just, you know, it's hidden, so you can't really see where the cables are unless you actually need it. So having the Footnote accessory cable, I'll link that right here in the description so you guys can see. And then I do have my main power bank. Now, this is from UGREEN, a 130 watts fast charge. Now, this is a 20,000 milliamp power bank, and I can charge my phone like 4 times over again, my iPad like 2 times, and my drone like 3 times or 5 times depending on what I need. And this is just super fast and it's reliable. I've been in so many situations where my iPhone or my camera for that matter just literally died on me, and I couldn't really charge that or couldn't really capture what I wanted to film. So having something like this is just necessary if you're filming a lot, and for this trip it's going to be even amazing. Now, when it comes down to enjoying yourself at the beach or just listening to music in general, the DBsono is perfect, mainly because this just looks so great, and the fact that you get these RGB lights right here. Let me just turn that on.
20% battery.
Whenever you press this extra bass right here, I'm just gonna tell you that the enhancement of bass and quality you get makes this speaker so great. But this is just so great to actually carry along with you, especially if you have your friends with you at the trip, or maybe your family. You guys could be playing football, volleyball, basketball while listening to music, and this is so loud. Check my other video, I'll link it somewhere. Next just has to be these glasses. Now, these glasses are cheap. I think I got them for like $20 or something, because they were just amazing to actually test out. And I said, you know what, let me try them in a good scenario, especially when I'm traveling. It would be nice to actually just put on some audio glasses like this while listening to music, Or if I am at the beach, for example, and let's say my mom or sister calls, I could answer them while I'm still enjoying the view at the beach, right? Or if I'm taking a long walk in the morning, I could be listening to music while I still hear my surroundings around me. You never know what might happen. Just having noise cancellating earbuds sometimes could be a massive problem, especially whenever you don't know where you are. It could just result in a bad way. So just having something like this whereby you can hear your surrounding is something I do want to try out. So we'll see about that in the future. And then when it comes down to isolating yourself, the AirPods Pro 3 is perfect because whenever I am at the airport, for example, or at the plane, sometimes I just need something that gives me the best ANCs, and that is where the AirPods Pro 3 just comes in hand, because I've never seen something this good, especially with the H2 chip. You do have a adaptive mode that, you know, switches over from transparency mode to ANC, like noise cancellating. So you are pretty much good when it comes down to having something with advanced AI, and the chip itself is powerful enough, the best ANCs all in all. So like just having this for running, jogging, working out is perfect. And I think they are IP67 as well, so you know, sweats, all of that, you're pretty much good. So the AirPods Pro 3 are super amazing. Now finally, the thing I think is one of the smartest thing I literally have on this table right here just has to be this camera detector. Now, why I do have a camera detector is the fact that I've seen so many things out there online, people being spied on. I just feel like that is one of the most craziest things that you can actually see on the internet, and I don't want to be one of those victims whereby I go online and I see myself literally, you know what I mean. So this is a camera detector that shows if there are any hidden cameras in the hotel room or at the Airbnb. So you just turn that on, something like that. You know what, it's actually good that I tried to turn it on now and the battery are dead, so I need to charge this one as well. So you turn it on and then you can just go around scanning the room to see if there's anything behind sockets, ventilation, and things like that. So this is one of those important things you really need to have, especially when you're traveling. You can find it for 30 bucks, 50 on Amazon. So find this and you know, your day will be saved, or your entire life will be saved. So for me personally, this is one of those smartest things I literally have on my list. Now, if you find any of these super interesting or something that you wish you want to know more about, just write that in the comment and I would answer as fast as I can. So without further ado, it's actually hot in here, like it's hot outside. I have my balcony open and everything and I'm still sweating. So without further ado, I'll just pack all these things and then I'll see you guys at the trip, or my next video will be in Spain. See you guys next week.